Hello, my name is Ben Affatato. I'm with ReeR Safety, and I'd like to tell you about one of our products today. Today we have our Mosaic controllers. We have our master modules up at the top, and then we have our expandable modules at the bottom. One of the best things about our controllers is that they are modular and they're completely expandable. So we have three different versions. We have the M1, which is our entry level. We have our M1S, which is going to give you a option of single OSSD outputs, as well as work with some of our newer products. We also have the M1S COM, which is going to give you 4 Ethernet protocol options, so that you can communicate with your PLC via using those landlines. We have expandable options to customize exactly what type of solution you want or need. We obviously have our internet protocol options. We have our speed monitoring, as well as we have some of our safety relays, additional inputs and outputs depending on how many you need and what kind of sensors you're going to use. The best part is that it's a modular safety system that you can customize exactly to what you need.